Justin Fuller, Director of Digital Sales for TrueSpot, and I'm excited to announce some different reporting that we've added as far as idle vehicle reports. Now, if you're not familiar with what TrueSpot does, I offer dealerships the ability to track keys in cars, right? So whether you're a standard dealership tracking your keys with our tags and your vehicles with our tags, or maybe you work in a collision center or a fixed ops department and you're tracking your vehicles and keys with us as well. Let me show you what that looks like real quick, and then I'll show you the reporting and how you can take advantage of it. So let's pull up the phone first. So I'm gonna quickly show you what it looks like to run a search on the phone, right? So I go to find a key and find a car. So on here, I'm specifically at a fixed ops dealership, right? So I'm gonna jump into this first tag. So let's say I was searching for tag 39, which is the first one. I jump in there, it shows me exactly where the vehicle's at and tells me on there. And then I jump over to the key and it shows me exactly where the key is living, right? The key's in the middle parking lot detail area, right? So somebody has the key and then the car is over on the lot as well. Now, what becomes very important is I want to be able to run reporting. I want to know that if I've got a vehicle in service, much like this one we're looking at, how long has it been sitting there, right? So here we are in the idle vehicle dashboard report, right? So I've got Koch Ford pull up. You saw me how I ran a search, see where a key is, see where a car is. Well, this is where things get really interesting. We've started generating reports. So for the sake of this, I've changed the idle time to 2 days, meaning that one of these service tags, if it has set in the exact same place for at least 2 days, I want to be able to pull up and run a report and know what that is, because I don't want cars to fall through the cracks. So right here, we can see we have 3 vehicles listed down here that have been sitting for at least 2 days. Now, the tag numbers, much like the tag I'm holding, you can see it has a number on it. You can see these over here. Service tag number 147, 228, and tag 298. So if I'm curious about this, I can go into my RO system and just look for these tag numbers, right? What it's associated with, and figure out, are we waiting on a part? You know, is there a recall? Is there something going on that we're holding on this vehicle? If not, I need to make sure we're on top of these tickets because they have been just sitting dormant for a couple days. Now this report is interactive, so I can change this and affect it to 0 days and start looking at more tickets, right? You have some abilities to start searching in just specific areas. So if you don't want to search the entire dealership for dormant vehicles, but you do want to look in specific areas, maybe just in a certain service area or in a certain collision area or in a retail area, understand that you can do that, or you can search the entire dealership much like we're doing currently. So, some new reporting that we've got to take advantage of. I've also got some stuff on test drive reports for my retail guys and a couple other reports. So if you're interested in this, let me know.